I'm Mona.
And I'm Tina.
And we're
the Lean and Clean team.
We're so glad you're here today. We're going to talk to you about how to use the new chemicals
to get your location clean. Come on, let's get started.
This is used on surfaces that have build-up residue, never to be used on counters, toilets, or any surfaces where food is prepared. The items you need to get started are a pair of gloves, an empty degreaser spray bottle, a bottle of the product itself, and a clean rag. Squeeze 1 reservoir and place in a 32-ounce degreaser spray bottle. Fill the 32-ounce degreaser bottle with water all the way till the bubbles come out.
Now we're ready to go.
Spray the degreaser directly into a towel. Begin by wiping from top to bottom and side to side until the entire surface is clean. Degreaser is designed to remove grease, grime, and build-up residue. After use, securely close the bottle and store the degreaser on the chemical rack. Routine cleaning reduces build-up and saves time. Did you know 64% of customers have walked out of a location due to the poor physical appearance and disorganization? A customer's perspective of your location indicates attention to the details and commitment to service to our customers. 9 out of 10 customers say a clean environment indicates their likelihood of even making a purchase with us.